Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Spirit, ting, basking in this heavenly New York glow on Thanksgiving Day, and I am thankful for you, baby. Yes, I am. I am happy to be here. I mean, look at how the light. Look at God turning up the sun when the camera come out. Come on, Lord. Amen. I'm here to shoot a quick video. I'm about to go meet my friend for Thanksgiving. So, I got to get my hair right. And I was like, why don't I do it with my YouTube family? Because I'm so happy to announce right here, right now, the Spirit Loves Locs family is growing with the aloe and rosewater leave-in. It is finally available. I have been using this on my hair for 3 years. Since the beginning, baby. You want to see what that look like? There we go, baby. That is 3 years of healthy growth. I'm so happy to now be able to finally offer this to my Loc community, my Loc family. Y'all, it took a while to come up with it. I wanted to source natural ingredients that I knew you would love, that I love, that make me feel good. If it don't make me shine like this, I don't even want it. And I definitely ain't gonna put it in your hands. So I'm so excited that you can now moisturize, hydrate, restore, refresh your hair in the same ways that I do. So I'm gonna use my spray right now just to wake my hair up. Let's get it, baby. Right here, you already know, you can always go to spiritloveslocs.com to get your sprinkles and now to get your rose water. It just, wake up! It just wakes me up so well. Okay. Is that the look? I didn't even know the look might be down today. I was thinking about putting it up. I'm gonna make a style since we're on camera. Okay. Baby, I'm distracted. No, seriously. Came out kind of cute. The spray do that. The spray must do that sometimes. It came out kind of cute. All right, so how about this? Since we don't need to stress my hair out no ways, why don't we just do a little bit of edges, and then I'll do my makeup. And that's it, baby. Damn, let me tell you why I'm thankful for you. Because together we have been able to grow. We have been able to share our journeys, to be vulnerable, to love each other, and to support each other as we go for our dreams. So I'm going to do my edges real quick because the hair just surprisingly fell down with grace. That's what I'm talking about, Thanksgiving. God said, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let your hair down. And I'm going to just do what the good Lord has blessed me with. Okay. So what I put on my hair was just pure aloe vera. And I usually put that on my hair with a little bit of tea tree mixed in it just to stimulate my edges. Give them a little something, something. And now I'm using a little bit of Supergrow just to hold it on the sides. I might make the fancy edges since I'm not doing anything else to my hair. And I'll use my little Certified Bella Beauty for that. Certified Bella Beauty is an Instagram store, but I like their product. Give me a little burn. Oh, that's cute too. Why don't we do that? That's cool. Girl, you cool. That's cute. I love that. Okay, I need something to hold this with. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I really love this. Oh my God. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna put a skinny band on what I did in the side. So here, it's literally just twisted sideways. So I'll put a skinny band right there just to hold the twist because they're so chunky. I don't think just a bobby pin could hold it. And then that is how it's gonna stay. It's staying just fine. But I'm still just gonna put a bobby pin. Okay. Yeah, my bobby pin is small, so it's pointless. Ow! Ow! Ow, Bobby! Okay, I love this look. So this is gonna be my look for Thanksgiving. Let me show you one more time. Now I'm going to tie my edges. I always tell you, if you don't tie your edges, why you think they're not staying? You ain't give them a chance to dry. So when I spray them with the rose water, that is my way to hydrate them so that you never want to do your edges while dry. That is, you're asking for them to break off. Then I use the aloe and tea tree to moisturize them even more. And afterwards, I use the product. And when I tie the product down, this is how it stays. This is how they set in that position. Natural products don't usually have a lot of holes in them. So you have to actually set them in order for them to stay. Okay, so now I'm going to go do my makeup by myself. And then I'm going to come back, turn on the video, show you how the hair came out. Bye. Bye. Okay, baby, here I am, having done my makeup, put a little on the look. Ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, hey, ah, ah. Okay. Time for the big reveal. Let's take it off. Let's see what we got. Let's see what it is. Ta-da! And here is a beautiful look for Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. You know, if you try this out, something very warm, let me know. Tag me. Find me at Spirit Loves Locks, Big Spirit Energy, where I'm giving you motivation and hair care inspiration, baby. Thanks for watching Big Spirit Energy and Spirit Loves Locks TV. Peace.